Now what I'm going to do real quick video is I'm going to show that a vacuum does suck really quick, and I'm going to suck the air out of this plastic bottle, and you're going to see the walls of the bottle collapse in on itself and meet in the middle. And when I get all the air out from sucking it, I'm going to stick my tongue in there to cap it off. And this is going to show that the sucking force remains. It's contained by my tongue being in the bottle opening, and those walls of the plastic bottle are still compressed in on each other. It's not from the outside pressure, it's from me sucking. And people say that a vacuum, there's nothing there. And that's why we're lied to. That's what we're taught to believe. But I'll show you that these walls will collapse on the soda bottle, and I will cap it with my tongue, and you will see it's still collapsed in on itself. Then when I take my tongue out, it'll suck the air in, just like it's sucking my tongue to contain itself. Now, okay, now that was that bottle sucking the air in after I removed my tongue. Okay, that proves that vacuums do suck. I created a vacuum inside that bottle by sucking the air out. Then I quickly used my tongue to contain the vacuum, and it sucked my tongue in there. Okay, and that's why the walls of the plastic soda bottle stayed compressed. It was not the outside pressure doing it. It was me sucking the air out that collapsed those walls. Okay, and that's whenever you create a vacuum. First of all, vacuums, nature abhors a vacuum. Vacuums do not exist naturally. So when you do create a vacuum, whether you suck the air out or burn it out with fire, you create an area that is in desperate need to fill itself. And it is a pulling force you create. Okay? And that's why that thing is called a vacuum, because it sucks stuff off your rug. Okay? You create an area that, a void area of air or volume that is a pulling force that will pull on anything in its vicinity. We are taught lies because they say the whole entirety of the earth covered in gas, oxygen, and clouds, and water in the clouds are the whole unit itself are within an infinite universe vacuum. That is not true. They have to lie about vacuums to get you to believe that bullshit. If the earth, any shape, I don't care if it was a cylinder, a flat pancake, or a spinning ball, it could not be covered in any gas or oxygen with its whole being inside, surrounded by, within an infinite universe vacuum. That could never be reality. Wake up, for God's sakes.